Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Cricut Monday. Today we're making this really fun tulip trifold card. So it opens up like that there. I'll just go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Cricut Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. From here, we're going to go down to the category of spring and go to the far right and click on where it says View All. In the upper right hand corner in the search box, type in the word tulip and then click on Enter. And the card we're making is this one here, the tulip card. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. At the very bottom, choose Customize. So we have the card base and also the envelope. If I click on the card base and look at the size, you can see the top toolbar where the size is. They have it as the width of 11.6. I want to make this card be a little bit smaller. So to resize the card, I also want to resize the envelope. So I'm going to bring this up. Highlight both pieces, the card and the envelope. Go back up top to the top toolbar, leave the lock locked, and change just the width and make this be 10.5 and then click on Enter. So now our envelope is now resized to fit the card we also resized. So we have the white piece here that's going to go there. Then our grouping of tulips, I'm just going to highlight all of those and choose a group so they'll all move together. Now on this piece here, I'm going to right click on the white piece and choose Duplicate. So now we have a piece for this side of the card as well. So we have our tulips that would go here, and then we can have our greeting go here. All right, upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on Make It. You can see we have our white pieces, then whatever color you want your tulips to be. Our green piece, we have our envelope and also the card base. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. All right, everything is cut out. I'm first going to work on the envelope. Normally I don't cut the envelope out, but I thought this was just an odd card, and I'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to crease in all those square marks. Oh, let me look at the envelope. That's kind of weird. It doesn't look like it. I think like this is supposed to be scored up here or something. I don't know. Alright, there's the envelope. I'm not going to put the envelope together. I just don't like how it goes together. So I'd rather just save that cardstock. Alright, then we have this piece here. The actual card. And it's supposed to be like a little accordion card, I believe. Actually, I think it's like this. Like that maybe, I think. Alright, so nothing goes here. Then we have the inside piece. I'm going to go and put that in there. And I did put two of these pieces out because I was not sure. This is the one where the tulips are going to go, so I'm going to grab those. Put them on here. I don't know if there was a right way or a wrong way that these went. I don't think there was. So I'm going to put one down here and then I'm using art glitter glue. It's always in my description box below. Alright, so we have that. Now each tulip, I believe, gets 3 of these little pieces here. Should have put these on first, huh? Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue one to each one. You can kind of see where they go. And this is all paper tray ink cardstock. This is the card base is Americana. The tulips are melon berry, and I believe this is green parakeet. Alright, now you're just going to layer them together so it creates that tulip look like that. So it's going to go in the same spot, but I'm just turning the egg a little bit, the egg shape. Okay, turning that a little bit, and then turning this one as well. I'm thinking I might, so I was going to pop them up, but there's 3 layers of cardstock here, and I think that's pretty thick already. Okay, and then another one. There we go. Two more. And I do have a card kit available for this as well. Okay, so that's how the card looks on the inside. Okay, so now I guess you can fold this like that, so when they open the card up, they see that. So I think I'm going to put this one right here. So I'm glad I did go ahead and cut two of those out. This way you have a spot to write a greeting or do a little bit of stamping, because there's really no room here. You can maybe stamp Happy Spring up here or something, and then your greeting or your personal message on this side. Alright, so there you have it. I would probably close it like that. Now you don't see the tulips. Maybe have it be like a 3D. This kind of card, like a Z fold card. Okay, so there you have it. I would have it like that. Okay, that you can see the whole card. Kind of cute. A little bit confusing on how it goes. I think it does go like that, a Z fold. All right, let me show you the card kit. It's right here. So I also do include the envelope. I'm not sure about the envelope. It doesn't look like it seals all the way. Like, you know, you can see here this little gap. I think this should have went farther up. But you can see it does. It will fit the card. And if you have like a regular envelope, let me get a regular envelope. A regular A2 size envelope, the card will of course fit in there as well. So in the card kit, I will include this envelope as well. So you have your envelope, or this one here, and I will put this in the card kit as well. Actually, I'll do that right now before I think about it. So to win the card kit, leave me a flowery emoji, and then I'll pick a winner. And how I contact you is I reply back to your comment in the comment below. I'll just say that you won the card kit, and I give you my email address. So make sure you check your comments to make sure you're not the winner, or that makes sure to see if you are the winner. There you have it. Okay, cute little card. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.